An end to homelessness is possible if we work together. So here's 7 ways you can help end homelessness in Wales. You can educate yourself. Did you know more than 15,000 people become homeless in Wales each year, including 2,800 children? Look after yourself and others. Get to know the signs that someone might need help. If you see an empty house, report it to the council. There are 26,500 empty homes in Wales right now. People often wonder whether giving to people on the street is the right thing to do. Well, of course, it has to be your decision. Check the online campaign for some pointers. Sign up as a campaign supporter. Get involved with current campaigns. Give of your time. Become a volunteer so we can help more people. Fundraise. Your donation could mean more families in Wales have someone to turn to. Go to the Shelter Cymru website to find out more about this campaign. You can end homelessness in 7 ways. Thanks for listening.